Hi everyone, my name is Danika. I'm the lead instructor for the MLA program and clinical coordinator for MLA, MLT, and MOA program at Oulton College. The thing I love the most about teaching is at the end of the year, when I look at the students working on their own, I can remember what they were like in September, and just to see the growth that they had and the impact that the instructor had in their journey is really amazing. So our lab that we have here at Oulton are very up to date. We try to keep what we have in our lab as accurate as what the healthcare system has already. So if there's anything that changes in the hospital setting, we will try to adapt and make sure that we give our students the best update or the best training for them to be ready to go to the hospital after. The thing that what separates me from the other instructor, and I mean, they're great, but if I have to talk about myself, I would say that I am driven. And I think the most important thing is I have a lot of passion. It's because you have to adapt to your students. So if you have students that are, so usually my classes are from 18 years old to 50. So you have to adapt to, I know, right? So you have to adapt to them. What do they like? What do they don't like? So when you're in front of the class and you have to do a reference or an analogy, well, you're not going to use what they don't like because it's not going to work. If you love science, if you love healthcare, you want to help people, but you don't really want to be full-time with patients, you just want to be just a little bit enough just to make a difference, MLA is the place to be.